Hi and welcome to this walkthrough on the new KK2 board from Hobbyking. In this tutorial I'm going to walk through the menu and all the settings you can adjust with this board, and this is what it shows when you turn it on. It's in safe mode, that means it's not armed, and you can enter the menu pressing this button, and the first thing is the PI editor. Here you can change all the settings for roll, pitch, yaw, and adjust the gain limit as you like. Next is the receiver test. This shows the positions on your stick. So if you move these around, you can see the values change, and it shows also right and left, back and forward. So it displays your stick motion, and you want to make sure that when trimming this out that you have, when your sticks are centered, then that all the values are at 0 except for the auxiliary. This should be in your favorite position, so either on or idle. So if I swap this switch, you can see it's almost 0, and I flick it back on and it's on. This is where your position hold mode will go to. Next thing is the mode settings, which will adjust your self level. This is on my auxiliary port, which means it's a switch. Arming is on stick mode, which means I have to arm it by moving the sticks around. Stick scaling is reducing the maximum output on your sticks. It reduces the movement and makes the quadcopter fly more stable or easily. In this setting you adjust the minimum throttle range, or minimum throttle, which is 20, using this. The contrast, I won't touch this, as well as the alarm. And the alarm is set with 1/10 of a volt, which means this is 10.5 volts. So I'm using a 3S LiPo, and if the voltage drops below 10.5 volts, it will ring an alarm. So you can set it like this. Okay. Next thing is self-level settings, where you can adjust the settings for the self-level and how much it should incorporate with your settings. Sensor test shows that all sensors are working. Okay. You can calibrate the sensors. I did that already. Just have to hit enter on a level surface, continue. It takes like 5 seconds to rewrite the settings for your board. So now you press continue, the calibration succeeded. The ESC calibration, I won't do that right now, but you have to turn the board off, put your throttle stick in the maximum position, press down button 1 and button 4, and then connect the power, and hold on to button 1 and 4 until you hear the successful beeping ESC calibration noise. Then turn the throttle stick to the minimum position and wait for the calibration sound right there as well, and then you can release the buttons 1 and 4, and you got your ESCs calibrated. The mixing editor, I won't touch this, but you can mix ailerons with the rudder and something like this. This is the motor layout, and as you can see I've got an X configuration. It also shows the ports that are not used, motor 4, and the direction the motor should be turning, and this is counterclockwise, and then you can go through the settings and adjust the motors and the spinning according to this. Next fun thing is load motor layout, and in this mode you can change the layout, which means you can adjust the board to whatever copter you got, so single copter, dual copter, tricopter, and so forth. So there are a lot of settings, and I forgot one. The last one is debug function, but I won't touch that as well. So that is it. This is the menu. You arm your copter by moving your rudder stick to the right. Now it's armed and you could fly. You disarm it by moving the rudder stick to the left at minimum throttle position. And that is it. Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe.